Hello students, I welcome you all in my English class. I am Rani Ranjan, your English teacher, and today once again I am going to discuss some of the questions related to the topic that is adjectives. In the previous video also we have discussed some of the questions related to the same topic and some more questions today also we have to discuss. So let us continue about it. Your question is question number A. Match the nouns and their adjectives. Children, you can see some of the words given and these all are adjectives. In the left hand side, children, you can see in the left hand side there are words that all are adjectives, and in the right hand side these all the words are nouns. So what we have to do? We have to match each adjective with another noun. Okay? So first let's read this all the words. Dark, green, easy, smart and fresh. Now nouns are also as they are grass, night, child, fruit and question. Now we will see that which word will match with another. Okay? Dark. Number 1, there is word dark. Okay? So with dark, what we will match? Night. Okay? Dark, night. Now, question number 2, green. So, what will be the perfect word for the green? As we know, children, green, grass. We know that grass is always green, isn't it? So here we will match green, grass. Number 3, easy. So what will be the correct word with easy? Easy, question. Number 4, smart. Smart, child. Okay? So we have to match with the smart, child. And now one is left, that is fresh. So now only one word has been left here. So what we will have to do? Just we will match with fresh fruit. We can see here some more words also given here. Okay, so let us see. Now question number 6, deep. Okay, deep, blue, narrow, 12 and tall. These all are also adjectives and there are nouns: tree, months, sky, sea and street. Okay, so now what we will have to do? We have to match with the correct nouns. Okay, as these all are the adjectives. So here with deep, which word will match? Deep, sea. Okay, now number 7, blue. Blue, sky. Number 8, narrow, straight. Narrow, straight. Number 9, 12 months. Okay, and one word here left, so with tall, tree. This will be the correct answer. Okay, tall, tree. Now some of the questions also left, children, that we will discuss. Your next question is question number F fill in the blanks with adjectives. Okay, here you can see there are sentences written. Okay, but you have to write the answer. But from where we will write the answer? From the box. As you can see, words are given here. Words are written here. So, we have to see the words, the adjectives, whatever written here. Woolen, pure, curly, honest and brave. Okay. There are 5 words, 5 adjectives written, and we have to take the adjectives for this all the questions. So now let's see the question. Question number 1. Her hair is. Now which word will be correct for it? Her hair is curly. So we will write here curly. Okay. Now number 2. 6 soldiers are very. Now what we will write? Very brave. As you can see, it is written here. So we will write here brave. Okay. Question number 3. Drinking water should always be. Now here for this sentence we will write pure as it is mentioned here. So we will put here pure. Next question is, we need an dash guard for our bank. So which word will be correct? Here we should write honest. Okay. So the honest word will correct for this sentence. Now next question is, in winter we wear dash clothes. So what will be the correct answer? Now only one left here. It is woolen. So here children we will write woolen. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Okay. Now as you can see, your chapter number 10 has been completed children. Okay. Now again I will come with a new topic for you. Okay. Thank you.